Probably you could have added means like again the persons who are going to visit to see
Yeah.
the functioning of the STP, right? Probably every year or few months, every few months you're talking about. So
Uh-huh.
it can be an indicator, right? Means like instead of a person coming in and checking it, it can be an indicator so that
We
we ourselves
actually
can take
thought
care. Hmm.
we actually thought we'll go for a little bit more automation at this
Okay.
point, like continuously monitoring the treated water that is going out. But
Yeah.
then we realized by putting more cost, by
Okay.
putting more capital cost, more equipment, one
Hmm.
is the possibility of failure is getting increased. Second is we are making it a little bit more less affordable to more people.
Okay. Okay. Understood. Understood.
And such equipments are available, but they are not really foolproof. The most of the water quality measuring equipment today is meant for laboratory use, not field use.
Okay.
Once it is a lab equipment, it needs more maintenance, frequent calibration. Otherwise, the kind of reports it gives is not really viable.
Yeah. Okay. So the treated water is definitely can be used for the plants, and there is no harmness in doing that, right?
Absolutely, yes. You should use it for gardening.
Okay.
And gardening is actually considered as a secondary, what should I say? It is more like one way of getting rid of used water.
Yeah. Hmm.
Otherwise, there is no way you can throw away so much of water.
Yes.
I'm just trying to add one brochure here that you can download. I'll probably put it in the chat. You can